We are going to learn about variable. What is variable? So everyone know about variable. A value which is changes during the process. The process for time, the process key is the value change. For example, name is a variable. The name we start off name you variable to about was change key. Your variable during the process value change key. Like let's suppose height is a variable. Height the my height stable constant. During the process the value change key. Variable is a characteristic of a person, object or phenomenon that is amenable to change and is measurable. Now change key or the value change key. There are two types of variable. Variable and portion.
Yes, sir.
During the process, the value change key represent the hair color. The job blacky, the job greeny, the job ready. During the process, the value change key. There are glasses without glasses. That's me. The variable change key. There are colors of cloth. The dress color, etc. There are two types of variables. There are further two types. Qualitative variable quantitative variable. Qualitative variable is that variable which we cannot express in numerical form. Numerical form we should express like gender. Gender we express numerical form. Male or female. The hair color, eye color. The status. The first, second, third, top, middle, bottom. The numerical form can you express it. How a variable can numerical form can you express it? That is known as qualitative variable or categorical variable. Categorical variable also very issue. That is categories. Male, female, male category is a female category is a. Or attribute of the issue. Attribute your body nature. You variable no numerical form can you express it? That is the Mudan can be separated into different categories that are distinguished by some non-numeric characteristic or quality. For example, gender, occupation, etc. The second one is quantitative variable. The thing that quantity. The quantity numerical form express correlation. Quantitative data, number representing counts are measurements. Numerical form express correlation. Let's suppose the bazar Radama, as M Tiara, Gandar Basara, Madakapira. Now, Gandar Matu Tasara, come type Kapira from Masra, we have state, come during state, or really come during state. Uspara Matawi, Hof Kapira the way. Matapatori is there to hub, the Lina Kamduri, or Hakamduri. That is when we form the express code. Yes, sir. Without express code, you must be able to do the state. For that, the which are Hali can come to actually can have come to actually. With that, come we able to qualitative variable, like quality is the truth. But we have what which are very hundred of the Machus, what we so to actually. The switch we will form the quantity. The quantitative represent what you represent, regular record. They have came this the climate of numerical form can express correlation. Because you variable of numerical form can express correlation, that is known as quantitative variable. Further, we have the quantitative variable. The qualitative variable are two types. The qualitative variable, two types. You have nominal value. How variable can numerical form can no express correlation as a name can express correlation. Like a gender the male, female, female male. Must finish of course numerical form can express correlation or nominal just name wise mean represented. Name of the students, name of the cars, name of the institutes. If a numerical form can name wise represented, that is known as nominal. Characterized by data that consists of names, labels, or categories only. The data cannot be arranged in any ordering scheme, such as low to high. Yes. Your data won't show up on numerical, non-numerical form. Order of key name. kada shi wuce la low or high just like name doing kada shi wuce kana ke names you the names to go the high plus different names dikana ko numerical form ki next procedure section the labels you the label mu or college वहाँ पर order beginning or categories like male female etc और बनी वो order नहीं then you will system बनाओ for example occupation government service business teacher survey responses yes no that would be the numerical form की नराजी और व्यापक की order निष्ठा just for non-numerical form की this is called nominal scale the second one is ordinal scale then you know पता लगी ordinal yes मतलब जब अपन numerical form की नहीं और वर्षरा बता order की बता कि ordering involve data that may be arranged in some order but differences between data values either cannot be determined or and meaningless your data चिमुदा से पर non-numerical form की express to और बाकी ordering like let's suppose ये क्या army ranking में और ranking तो बाकी चीजें नो second lieutenant well lieutenant या captain उसको ना तो तरतीब बंदी करना order बंदी करना बिया चिमुदा से वो गुरुदास से अपनी education level तो बोले the metric बिया enter बिया चीजें नो दवाला graduation तब ये order की करना ये पर numerical form की निश्चित express को ले बिया वो सारा चीजें Now order की express this is called ordinal variable ठीक है तो numerical form की नहीं अब also ordering that is not a ordinal variable for example severity of cough was compared to headache mild moderate severe जब ये order की करना तो का select to headache या दगले mild ने होता severe दगशांति economic status poor middle or upper class ده فرق ويلي شجرة ده وكاس ده بقى كده ده economic status يعني فكاس expressive يعني هذا شوية كمزورة ده غريب ده middle class ده يا غير ماذا order كده كده variable مثلا two types شو يو تموك سوى quantitative variable أو بتاع qualitative variable the qualitative variable there are two types دي يو تموك nominal أو بتاع ordinal بيا بنجي وتسمع دي second تموك quantitative variable हुए the quantitative variable मजीद भी टू टाइप्स तो तुमका डिस्क्रीट वन और तुमका कंटीन्यूअस वेरिएबल वन यदि कम दे तुमका स्केल्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट वन द कुछ बराबर हुई था स्टैटिस्टिक्स दे तुमका स्केल ऑफ मेजरमेंट्स वन नॉमिनल ऑर्डिनल रेशियो और इंटरवल तो बड़ी इधर की चीज है सब बड़ी स्लाइड्स जस्ट टू असली नॉमिनल और ऑर्डिनल रेशियो और इंटरवल दे ब्रेक दी ratio of interval term they are the quantitative variables the quantitative variables हाँ जी quantitative variable हाँ variable है या हाँ डेटा था कि अगर हम numerical form में express करें there are further two types यो तमुगा discrete quantitative variable वन अब यो तमुगा continuous quantitative variable वन discrete quantitative variable से तो ऐसी how variable can be for numerical form के ऊपर jumps की like let's suppose 1 2 3 the number of students in the class so then the मुझसे class की 50 for example bubble class की 30 की bubble के बाद 10 की that पर jumps form की दी बताओ पूरी बनी कि अब continuity नहीं था that's बस उन्हें फिर क्या नन पर class की less new word so है नहीं तो word के में या सुधा से जो पूरी की मुझसे 20 word दी 20 members दी अब वन के मशरूम को पता कैसा है द्रे का साजू को फोर की फैमिली मेंबर्स को दस व्यू कब वेरिएबल जब पा जब फॉर्म की या और द ब्रेक्स फॉर्म की देखो 1 2 3 4 5 that is called discrete quantitative variable data results when the number of possible values is either a finite number or countable finite form की countable की 100 स्टूडेंट आदमी 2000 स्टूडेंट आदमी 500 दी ठीक है नंबर जब फॉर्म की फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल वैल्यूज 0 1 और the 0 the 1 must be infinite numbers दी the 1 और the 2 must be infinite numbers I don't divide कर दी just a specific number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 this type of variable या this type of data is called discrete quantitative variable the second one is continuous variable का variable है هغه ویریبل چې په کنټینیوټي فارم کې لکه فار ایگزامپل ټمپریچر د ټمپریچر په تاسو ګورئ نو اوس ورو بیا سره په کده باندې ډاون کیږي هایټ دغه هایټ چې دی دا یو کنټینیوس فارم کې کړه تاسو سپیډ اف د کار وګورئ دا په کنټینیوس فارم کې ٹھیک ده ایجز په تاسو وګورئ دا په ټایم لیول باندې وګورئ دا په کنټینیوس ویریبل دی ورو موږ د کیو دا چینج کیږي په کنټینیوس فارم کې چینج کیږي numerical data results from infinitely possible values that correspond to some continuous scale that covers a range of value without gap, interruption or jumps. Like you see, continuity form of a key. Gap of a key, a continuous form of it. Like for example, there is 2 to 3. Now every number from 2 to 3 is included in this range. So for continuous key, continuity, a continuous form key, a continuous variable key usually interval inside the interval super value sheet that will be included. Like for example, let's suppose that here so that the multi doesn't mean gorilla. Also a simple kalish maro. Yara Pilkana Misrani, we have a share for them, we have pushed it around. Those the kalish in the form key. You have a shoe, 2 shoe, 3 shoe. Discrete form key. Because then here the complete the interval. The multi the water then being over if super area then the horse of this count. The continuity form the horse from Masaran. But this is not continuous variable. Because you Kalish Maruma or discrete form, you Kalish, 2 shoe, 3 shoe, solution, this is called discrete variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Continuous variable usually is also jumps thing, continuity form. Change is due to some other factor. And the other factor is known as independent variable. You see change the bulk variable those in Razi, change that is known as dependent variable. Like for example, the some students say the class of post some of the lecture today the pathos bani asar kai. The some of the statistics wise the koi. That's dependent variable. ठीक है? Like for example, disease. No disease today disease तो हम लोग यार कफ थे. तो उस तरीके आपको रोकता आपको समझ नहीं को. Medicine money but treatment money outcome. And independent variable is collected, manipulated by the researcher. But अभी तो पारा मुंगा ने कोस्ट गुरु मुंगा दिले पारा मुंगा variables आप लोग चेहरा disease दे. उस disease में चेहरा diabetes दे. नियरा दिले पारा कम ये medicine वापरना माँ. कम technique का treatment use कमा. कितना दर्द इस control कमा दा disease इस control कमा. Like कब से सुने चुम्बी ने पारा कब दा अपलू अगर risk factor exposure that is known as independent variable. Like तास नमावी चुम्बा ता कब थे दागे पारा जो medicine अफ्ना माँ electromycin ने doctor उड़ी कलारा बने खराना. बोले दी बस आप सब जिसने जा कंपनी में बंदिश. Independent variable बमाई कारों ना पहले ये treatment बढ़ना start किया. Zithromycin करा था कि हम use को लगाना बने खराना. हालांकि पाप बोलो कि सफर में राजी. चेहरा बस मान ज़मादा वजह मम्मा खराना दा बोले हम को चलाओ मम्मा खराना दा हम बंदो. That is known as independent variable. अब independent चीज़ ले बस मम्मा ने खराना कर बोल. ठीक है? Independent variable how variable क्या आज़ादी. बाकी सब बाकी ने असर बनाऊँगी. वो dependent variable तो जैसे independent variable तो वजह ना change की है. like for example let's suppose that x is equal to 2 plus y. What's the x today? This x is dependent variable. What is? कि they complete depend बचा मान की y मान. तो और तो y से y equals to 1. Then x से मसले उसी. 3 में तोड़ने से. Yes. The क्या तो ये change? The y the वजह ना. This x is called dependent variable. तो the y से y को आज़ाद दे बस 1 to put का, 2 put का, 3 put का. पता बस आसान ना बिल्कुल. तो दादा तो वजह नहीं वो one variable change की. जब change की that is known as dependent variable. And the one, this is called independent variable. Correct.
Sir, that's the medicine that cover over there.
जी.
Confusion, but
Sir confusion.
मतलब that's you we medicine चीज़ें मंगे से तो मैं सीन वो provide independent इधर.
गोरा उस पर जो depend on इधर different antibiotics चीज़ें वो निकाल के ना वो हमारे रखे. What you doctor आप चीज़ें से तो मैं सीन दादा suggest करता है use करता है वो सरकार को लाभ
जी सर.
उस पर मैं वो जारी कार मुना को. The medicine चीज़ें medicine independently, but yes. the changes in the Pachaba Kaki,
Yes, sir.
Zino Bayusha, the immunity, the Rida, status, Zino Bachani. The destination here, the Buri Kamonako, you also Badi Kamon for Mumba Company Bando, the deep sea, the double, the Saraka.
Yes, sir.
Dali Pachaba Kaki, Pachaba Naki, the immunity, the status.
Chada para effective chada para bani.
The channel para effective each other paroni. Also, my Chicago Moko, the other Bulu doing the Zohashma, my Asaro.
Yes, sir.
The Zohashma independent, labor. But the medicine team that independent. But some of the doctor Kira, the Mandika, the Monica, the Moxie Assassin, but I divide with you. There you go. I need a money governor, which is derived. The Mukhtarif cinema lucky, Mamaki will change the video in Nazi or the resident. It comes system Mamaki change Nazi, that is known as dependent variable. I will change the resident. I will look for a company around.
Dependent variable the whole change whole for independent variable
independent variable na by your one variable change the Pachaki change how is the independent variable. Scientists will manipulate the vitamin C intake in a group of let's say 100 people who are the age of 40 years. 40 year old person na still you have to solve vitamin C or और द विटामिन सी में बहुत असर कई द विटामिन सी से जो द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल जो पर इस समय तो कौन सड़ों की जगह फर्क वाली ना हो सको डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल जो गुड ये बात तो बोलेगा भैया 50 people will be given a daily high dose of vitamin C and 50 people will given a placebo pills over a period of 25 they 50% एक placebo pills और 50 के साथ दे विटामिन सी हाई डोज और दैट इज इफेक्टिव नकुरी द प्लेसिबो पिल्स और द विटामिन सी द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और was parliament असर से प्रयोग that is known as dependent variable where the body level the goal is to see the high vitamin C to say affect the people's lifespan that was plenty of the dynamic working independent variable of your daily vitamin C. Now all this the culture the working the vitamin C independent variable or the lifespan today that's it dependent variable